In today's video, I'll be giving you 2 Pentecostal bass lines you can learn and start jamming on your praise. So if you're interested, I want you to watch the video to the end so that you won't miss these 2 bass lines, okay? If you're also new to this channel, you're welcome. Subscribe, like the video, and also leave a comment. I also do private class lessons for beginners if you're interested. You see the link in the comment section below to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. Okay, so guys, let's look at the first groove. So that is a 1 2 1 2. Okay, so now let's groove on that. So I played a ghost note, so from your 1 to your 2, you understand? So that is 1 sharp 2 7 1. Okay, so every ghost note will be just 3 ghost notes. Okay, so okay, so you can practice on this very well. So okay, so you understand? Okay, so you should make sure you follow the timing. So 3 4 5 7 1. Okay, so that is from your 1 to your 4. So 3 4 5 7 1 2 2 sharp 3 4, then 6 2. Okay, 4 6 2. Okay, so okay, you understand? My 2 here, I have my 2 here. Okay, so fa, or you can do da 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 da. It depends. Okay, I'll recommend you play it here. Okay, so it will be easy for you. Okay, so 1 2 2 sharp 3 4, then you play your 7 flat, your 6, your 3 flat, and your 2. You understand? Okay, so 2 da 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 7 1 2 2 sharp 3 4 da 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 6 2. Okay, 6 2. Okay, okay, so you're still on your 2. So now you come and play your 1 2 2, then you'll be going to your 5. That is your 5, then back to your 1. Okay, so 1 2 2 5 4 5 5 1 1 1. You understand? Okay, so look at my fingers, how I place it on the note. So 5 5 4 5 5 1 1 1. You understand? Okay, you do it again. Okay, so now when you're done playing the second, then you're going to your 6 6, your 6 and your 2. Okay, 6 6 5 6 6 2 2 2. Okay, 1, your 2, your 6, 1. So you play 2 times. So each of them you're playing them 2 times. So 1, your 2, now 2, 1. Then you go back to your 1 progression. Then you do it again. Okay, so just know the note. It is 6 2, then 5 1. Okay, so you can play these Pentecostal lines in high life. It depends. Okay, so learn it very well. You can do this in high life groove. Okay, so you understand? Okay, and you can also play this in your jam, in praise jam like this. Okay, so you understand? You understand? Okay, so now let's move to the second groove and see. The same 1-2 progression. Okay, so you'll be starting from your octave. Okay, but if you want to start normally, start from your root. Then you now be starting from your octave. Okay, 1 5 1, octave 2, then octave 1, octave 2. Okay, so that is 1 5 1 2 2 6 2 1 1 5 1 2 2 6 2. You understand? Then 1 5 5 5 5 5 1. Okay, so let's continue. So dun, 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 dun. 1 1 5 1 4 5 5 5 4 5 5 5 5. Then you move on. So okay, I think you already know these lines. That is 1 6 sharp, your 6, then 2 flat, 2 7 1 3 4. Okay, you understand? Da, 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 da. Then you'll be going to the second Pentecostal groove. So on your fa, you're going to your 6 and 2. So you learn this. Your fa, that is your 4, to your 6, you slide to your 3, then 6 5 6. Okay, 4 3 6 5 6. Then you play the bass line 2 6 2, then to your 1 5 5 5 1 5 1. Then you do 6 6 2 6 2. Okay, so it is 2 ways. Either you play or okay, so let's hear what I played. Okay, so I did it this way. So it is 6 6 6 6. So when you're done playing, so 6 5 6 2 6 2 5 5 5 5 7 1 5 1. So that is 5 5 5 5 4 times 5 5 5 5 7 1 5 1. The same 6 6 6 6 1 2 6 2. So you learn it. You understand? Okay, so understand? Or so it is two ways you can play it. That is 6 6 6 6 6 1 2 3 4 5. That you'll be playing the 6 5 times, not 4 times. 6 6 6 6 2 6 2, or the other way, 6 6 6 6 1 2 6 2. You understand? Okay, so when you've done practicing them, master the two of them and try to use them in Pentecostal songs. You understand? Okay, and also understand the tempo and the progression, and you're good to go. You understand? The first one, you understand, and the second one, you understand? Okay, so I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Bye for now.